Hi, so this is going to be an onboarding video, which means if you are going to use our system for the first time as an admin, uh, it would be a good idea to go through this video because it's going to give you an overall the way to use this system uh, walkthrough. So let's go through it. So when you are here on the website, you will see this login button and you click on this login. It will take you to the login page and you will be using your pmi.org login. And once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the chapter website and then you will see these menus. Now, if you are an admin, you will see this admin portal button. If you are not an admin, you will not see this admin portal button. And same goes for this help for admins, which is only visible to the admins. And then for each page, this is going to be a very useful feature for you. So no matter on which page you are, this is going to guide you through managing the content for that page. So when you are on home page, for example, and you click on this, it gives you this option to edit this page, and these options are always available. You can submit a support ticket to us, and then if somebody else is editing any page and if you want to take over, you can just check in everything so that you can start editing those. So this one, let's explore this. So if you go to edit this page, you will see this edit page window, and this is a page builder, and there is another video on how to use the page builder. But here the overall idea is that you get this option to edit the page right here. So let's go to another page, and when you are on this page, you can do the same. You can edit the page. And these are static pages, but let's say you are on board of directors page, and these are not the static page, these are contacts. So now when you come to help for admins, you will see different options. Now it gives you an option to edit contacts on this page. Now when you click on this, it will take you to the admin portal to exactly the place where you will find all these contacts. So as you can see, you will find all this person here and you can just edit it here. And generally on all the admin portal pages like this one, you always have action buttons on the top, and those action buttons will vary from page to page based on what features it has. And you can use these buttons to do a lot of things. Now, let's say when you click on this, you have this option here. You can take any action here using any of these options. And almost always to edit any of these items, when you simply click on the name or the title, it will take you to the edit page. So let's say you want to edit this user, you can find that user here and you just click on this, you go to edit window and you can give it a description and select another image, change this position and all those things. And then you use this action button again to save or save and close. Now save generally means you save this, but you will stay on the same page. But save and close will mean you will save this and you will go back to this listing page. So that's how this works. And similarly, no matter on which page you are, you will be taken to the edit of that particular page. So this is a form, for example, which is different from the other pages. So in that case, when you use this edit this form option, you are taken directly to that form, and then you click on this to edit it, and you will see all the options, and you can recreate or edit this form. And when done, you can save and close. And same goes for all other pages. So let's pick a different type of page, which is, let's say, event calendar. Now, when you are on this calendar, and now when you go to help for admins, you will see the options based on the calendar. So you can manage events, manage coupon codes, manage registrants, and all these things. Now, when you go to manage events, it will take you to the event system, and then you can just click on this to edit this. For example, let's edit this. You can change all these options here. You have short description and long description and all these things, and you save and close. And on whatever page you are, if you want to add new item, so if you are on event space, you can add new event by going to this new button. If you are on contact space like before, and if you hit new button, you are going to add a new contact. So these are the action buttons that will be very useful. And same goes for individual events. So let's say if you are on this individual event page, and now when you go here, you can edit this event or manage registrants. So let's say if you go to manage registrants, it will select the event for you and show all the users who have registered for this event. And then again, based on which page you are, you will have several options. In this case, you can export all the registrants, or you can add new registrants and all these things. Let's see if we have any other different type of menu. So yeah, this is again a static page, and for that you can simply come here and use this edit option to edit that page. So this will give you an overall idea how to manage the content for each page. Now, most of the times this would be more than enough to do regular updates on the website. But sometimes you may want to do some more advanced things. For that, you can go to admin portal. So when you go to admin portal, you will have this view. Now again, these are different features that are available for you. And for each of these features, you have detailed documentation. So let's say if you are on events, now most of the times, as I said, you may not be using documentation part because of course the documentation has all the details, because when you are dealing with events, you simply go to events, create the event, fill in the form of that event and save it. You will create an event like that. And when you have a new, if you want to have a new field on the registration form for an event, you go to fields, create a new field, and you save it. So these are the administration is very simple generally, but sometimes if you want to explore all the advanced options, you can always go to documentation to learn more about that. So let's take this as an example and let's go to documentation. And then it has all this detailed documentation for this event system. And same goes for all of these. If you are on forms and then you go to documentation, it will take you to the documentation of the forms system. So as I said, most of the times you may not need this, but it is there in case you want to explore all those advanced features as well. So that is how you could access the advanced features. And also the most common feature you may be using would, you want to give admin access to other members of the chapter or other board members, for example. So generally, we provide a super admin access to one board member, and then that board member will have the highest level of access. And then that board member can provide admin and general admin access to other board members as it is required. Now, if you go to members, it will list all the members of the chapter, everyone who is the current paying chapter members. And if it even shows the expired members who does not renew the membership and expires. Now, I'm not going to go to this page because it will list all the sensitive information as well, and YouTube will reject the videos because of that. But the idea is it will list all the members of the chapter, and you can also search uh, for each member. And then if you want to provide admin access, you just edit that member, and then you select the admin access and save it. Let me show the edit window at least. So the edit window is going to look like this. So here, when you edit a particular chapter member, you will have all the details for that member, and you will also see all the profile fields for that member. And if you want to provide admin access to this member, you just select administrator and save and close. And then that user will have the admin level of access. So I think that gives you an overall idea about how to generally use the system. It's very easy to use, and of course, whenever you have some additional questions, you can always submit a support ticket to us. Thank you.